What's cracking, guys? It's part 2 of my really haunted house. I am the most haunted man in the UK. I thought I would take you through everything I have found so far in my haunted house. I have to move house. It's been that hard. I have to actually move house. I'm moving house in 5 days time because I can't sleep. Vlad the Impaler's ex-missus just won't leave me alone. I can't sleep. As you can see from the bruises on my face, when Vlad the Impaler's ex-missus comes into my bed at night, she's a bit rough. So I'm gonna switch to the night vision now. I bought this haunted doll, this possessed doll. His name is Animal. I bought him on eBay 10 years ago, and he moves about when I'm not looking. I'm so tired. So once again, I'll be using the Spirit Talker app, whatever the hell it's called. I don't know what it's called actually. I'm gonna try and communicate with Vlad the Impaler's ex-missus. Once again, before I move from this dwelling, abode, what do you call them? I don't know. I recently found out that Vlad the Impaler's ex-missus' name is Anastasia, all the way from Wallachia. So I'm going to use the necrometer, because professional paranormal investigators say this is the best thing. Let's rock it. Vlad the Impaler's ex-missus, Anastasia, are you here with me right now? Anastasia, I'm moving out soon, so if you want to get your goodies on, let me know. You are. They sound ginger then. Anastasia, whenever you come into my bed at night, you put your little cold hands down my feet. Yes. But you always leave me without a happy ending, Anastasia. Why is that? Because you like my throat. Right, Anastasia, I'm going to switch to night vision now, because some say that's when ghosts happen. Others say because it's creepy. And we're going to see what happens. If you want to move the haunted doll right there, he's right there. He will... Did you say erect again? How dare you? He will move on command. Especially for a sexy lady like you, Anastasia. Just to warn you guys, I have been known to get possessed by the spirit of Vlad, I think. I don't know. I never know. And I sometimes find footage of me walking downstairs, making a sandwich, it's usually cheese and tomato, and then eating it, but I never know I've done it. It's weird. So if you see any shocking footage of me getting possessed, looking at things, and doing strange things, just know that it's normal for me. I'm so tired. I'm gonna switch to night vision. Prepare to be shocked. Vlad the Impaler's ex-missus has been stalking me, dropping into my bed, playing with me in a fun way. As you can see from my face, I've got all manner of bruises over me because Vlad the Impaler's ex-missus just don't know when to stop. This has been going on for a number of years, since I went to Romania. I just can't sleep anymore. So now we're in night vision. I'm going to use the necrometer, to try and contact Anastasia. Do with me what you will. Is there anyone here who wants to speak to me? Let yourself be known. If you want to move something, do it now. Guys, Animal just moved. Anastasia, are you here with me tonight? Anastasia, I'll be moving out soon. Do you want to move with me? Yes, I do. Anastasia, why do you keep visiting me at night? I beg your pardon. Anastasia, I've had enough of bumping uglies. I'm just saying. A sola mia, Vlad the Impaler. What happened? I'm so tired. Sorry guys, I think I was possessed for quite some time there. It might have been one of Anastasia's jealous friends, I don't know. They all want me, because I am the most haunted person in the UK. So I'm going to finish off by saying a prayer to ward off the demons and Anastasia, because I can't go on like this anymore. I pray to thee, who art in heaven, please let me eat bacon and cheese with some sausage. Ward off the demons. They keep me up at night, but not in a fun way. I'm so tired. If there's anything you can do to help me, keep Vlad the Impaler away. Anastasia, she can stay. It's fine. Amen. Well guys, that was part 2 of my really haunted house. What are you gonna do now, Vlad? Nothing. That's what. Anyway, this is me signing off. I hope you've enjoyed the most exciting video you've ever seen. Until next time. Peace!